Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the connection. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi or cellular and that other sites load. Next, check the address bar for spelling errors and try HTTP versus HTTPS if applicable. Once done, flip airplane mode on for 5 seconds and back off to force a cellular/Wi-Fi refresh. If a quick reload fails, restart Safari and try a different page. These first steps eliminate simple DNS or transient network glitches before deeper changes. Once basic checks are done, focus on DNS and intermediaries. Disable any VPN app or configuration profile and turn off proxy settings in the Wi-Fi details. Then change the network DNS to a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to rule out ISP DNS issues. Make sure to save and reconnect. Also restart the router and inspect router controls for site blocking or firewall rules. These steps address the common middle causes like DNS misconfiguration and VPN or router filtering. To finish, reset network settings if earlier steps didn't help. This clears Wi-Fi passwords, but often fixes stubborn DNS or DHCP issues. Make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date, then test the site from another device to confirm whether the server is down. If it remains inaccessible, contact the website host or try a trusted VPN to bypass local DNS. One key troubleshooting tip: always test from a second network or device first to determine whether the problem is your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.